We're live. We're live. We're live. Okay. Um. Hello, mate. How it doing? How it doing? Let me figure out my motherfucking. Okay, so yesterday we hit a daily loss limit on 2 accounts. Two of the Lucid accounts, and it was low-key cooked. I can't even lie to you. Is that my right password? Dude, I fucking... Why isn't Google... Oh, shit. Bro. Brother, I totally... Oh my god. My computer's about to fucking crash. Where the fuck are all of my passwords? Why isn't my shit auto-filling, bro? The fuck is this bullshit? Fuck is this bullshit? And my computer's slow as fuck, too. Oh my god. Alright, anyways. Okay, I'm definitely not gonna have low power mode on this bitch right now. Trader.tradeovate.com. Bro, am I tripping? Did Lucid just like delete my accounts or some shit? Bro. Like, bro, where are my accounts? Dude, I swear, I'm like actually so confused. Brother. Okay, so I just reset my password. Okay, fire. Okay, so I breached my one of the evals. And my I have like $700 of drawdown on that account now. Okay. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Oh, I'm not even sharing my screen. It's not the one. That's the one. Dude, this definitely looks like a short today. It's low-key looking short today. If this is short, I don't know. Okay, so this is an SMT right here, 5:50 to 9 a.m. $5.50. Dude, when MNQ wants to spool, bro, it just will. Okay. Anyways, how you doing, mate? How are we? Dude, I don't even know if I want to long this bullshit. Gold do look nice though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I want to long this bullshit. I don't know if I want to long this bullshit. See, like... I just farted. Dude, I have to learn how to not show my fucking account details, bro. Bro, where the fuck are my credentials? Dude, I'm like actually cooked. Every time I try to log into Lucid, it's some fucking bullshit. Oh, show credentials. There you go. Fucking hell, man. Dude, this is so cooked. Yeah, degenerate trading. Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my, dude, I'm like actually tripping the fuck out right now. I actually can't find my fucking credentials, bro. Bro, I literally just logged the fuck... I literally just logged in. Okay, never mind. I found them again. Dude, I need like a Adderall or something, bro. I can't do this shit. I literally cannot do this right now. I literally cannot do this shit right now. Yeah, just miss the fucking long on Naz, bro. Okay. Keenan, chill the fuck out, bro. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I would take this long right here if it came back here. But it's fucking Naz, man, you know? It's like, it's just bullshit. I have no doubt that if I were to take a long right now, which I'll take it at either, regardless, bro, I'll just fucking buy another account if I lose this trade. It's gonna go...
Order rejected.
Bro, what?
Order filled.
Alright, there you go. I'm gonna have my stop, like, in this zone. Okay, just wait. Okay. I was gonna have my stop right here, but I'm gonna just see what it wants. What it wants to do. So I'm about to just lose this account on one trade, bro. There's just no fucking way, dude. Oh my god. See, I knew this bullshit would happen. I just knew this bullshit would happen. I'm such an emotional motherfucker today. Like, just in general, these last few... bro, fuck this shit.
Order filled.
I'm crashing the fuck out right now. Alright, that was an L trade, but I would take this shit any day of the week. This is a bunch of consolidation, bro. I mean, realistically. But we'll see. Already fucking down. Yeah, bro, it's just impossible to fucking trade Naz. Like, positive thinking. Positive thinking, bro. Positive thinking. Oh, it's going for those lows. Possibly.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, one little pullback of drawdown just fucking blew my account. Yeah, this was I mean, on it, like, there's. I probably should have risked a little less if I wanted to take more trades in the first place, but yeah, dude. That's what, 2 blown accounts. Hate all you want, bro. I do like this short, though. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Dude, there's just, like, no clear fucking negative, like, draw on liquidity here, bro. Like, it's just ranging, bro. Just, like, this isn't optimal trading conditions. I'll just leave it at that. Like, genuinely. Like, genuinely. There's no real, like, trade that I took here other than this one. Honestly, I did like it. I did like it, actually. I really did. For longs, I mean, it kind of just made sense. My thinking right now is Slowkey a fake out. It's just stuck between, like, the open, you know what I'm saying, or the daily candle. Like, when the daily's a wick like this, dude, it's like, fuck. It's just, like, trash. I heard motherfuckers are trading silver. Silver futures. Bro, what is the symbol for silver futures? It's SI. Do you know it's cooked when I'm looking at silver, bro? Oh, SI. There you go. See, bro, like, there's a clear fucking difference. Just clear fucking difference between this, even though it's a little bit choppy pre-market, this, and this. You fucking feel me? Like, there's a clear fucking difference. There you go. Would have lost another trade there. But yeah, it's like clear fucking difference on just price action, bro. Just price action at the 950 macro. Maybe it's not the 950 macro. Maybe I just, but yeah, I may just buy another account right now and fucking keep swinging the bat. Keep swinging the bat. Swinging. Dude, I need to understand how to leave a Slack. Like, genuinely leave a Slack. So I had 2 jobs online. I just quit one yesterday because it just better to put my focus into the bigger offer. Into the bigger offer meaning like the bigger company that I'm working with. So The guy was not happy. I just quit on the spot. And yeah, he was not happy. He was not having it. Really cool guy though, in the space. Yeah, like dude, there's a clear fucking difference, bro. There's a clear fucking difference between this and this bullshit. Hey, bro, even YM. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, shit's trending. Like, it's just something about Nas. I just like Nas, bro. It's just like, I feel like, you know what I think? The market's so cooked because everybody's trading Nas. Or I just gotta stop thinking. But yeah. I think a lot of things. Bro, that's what happens when you buy into a brand new prop firm. Oh shit, bro, I didn't even see all these messages. Already done trading, past 2 accounts. I think buy side will get swept in PM session. Me love silver a long time. Me love silver a long time. It's a sign, bro, don't trade. Sell side getting swept soon, go long after it gets swept. I don't even know, bro, like, I don't even fucking know anymore, dude. It's like, dude, look at my fucking trading these past few fucking lucid, bro. Let's take a look at this trade. I don't know if I want to use this anymore. To be honest with you, and it's just expensive. Like, holy shit, bro. 260,000 P&L. God damn. In 14 days? Who the fuck is this guy? Yo, slide me a band. But yo, like, 20 contracts, micros obviously, 21, 22, 23. Like, I'm pretty consistent on my risk. It's, like, let's take a look at the trades actually. 3 records. How did I blow this account then? Dude, that shit makes no fucking sense. Dude, I'm like low Kirk genuinely confused, bro. How the fuck did I blow this? I had 1 losing trade, 1200, 1 winning trade, 1 losing trade, or a couple of losing, or actually, yeah, dude, I don't know. I'm like genuinely, low Kirk genuinely confused. I can teach you, my son. Yeah, bro. I've just seen in the past, like, when you enter, like, at 9:44, let's say, like, just a few minutes before, like, genuinely, my stop should have probably been down here. And it was. Bro, it was. My stop was right there. Bro, dude, my stop was right there. My stop was right there. I just didn't have enough fucking capital for whatever fucking reason on Lucid. Dude, I'm not even complaining. I'm just genuinely confused. I'm like I'm confused. Bro, what the fuck do you mean I blew the account in 3 trading days? Risking like, okay, maybe I'm risking too much. I don't know, bro. I don't fucking know. Breached. How much is a reset? Jesus. $100? Yeah, miss me with that bullshit, bro. I'm going to my funded futures. Let me not share my fucking login credentials, yeah? Yeah? Before one of you motherfuckers tries stealing my shit, yeah? Anyways, Yeah, let me go back to my funded futures real quick. All right, so let's take a look at the stats. Stats. Look how many fucking accounts I failed. I've passed a couple. I have passed a couple. I have 11 accounts, bro, that I failed. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I did pass a couple. Damn, that's like 1,000. Plus, like, the other 200. Damn, bro. Yeah, I better get a payout fucking soon, bro. Shit. God damn. The fuck do you mean account? I'm just getting a new account. Start challenge. My opinion, at least, bro, it's like, it's at least better. It's better to like lose $100 than putting, let's say, $3,000. And there's a bit of a controversial take on this because I've even spoken to a lot of my trader friends that are like, yeah, like, you're wrong. You should only be trading on a live account. And what the fuck is this bullshit? You should only be trading on a live account, right? Because like X, Y, and Z, like psychology, shit like that. Yeah, bro, like this shit would have hit. This shit would have fucking hit. I just didn't have drawdown. I didn't have fucking drawdown. You see what I'm saying? Bro, and I literally called it. I said, if I enter this right now, it's probably going to come back all the way down here and just take out these lows. It didn't. Yeah, bro, it's just bullshit. It's bullshit. It's like these stop hunts, bro. I'm fucking tired of them. But you know what? We gonna maintain a positive mindset. We gonna get another account. We're gonna pass the account. We're gonna get $3,000 payouts, max payouts, and then we're gonna be chilling again. All right. This is. We gotta maintain a positive mindset, guys. Dude, I told that to my friend who lost like 20 grand the other day and then made it back in the trade. And he was like, nigga, fuck you. He was like, nigga, fuck you. Bro, like, shit doesn't work like that in trading. I'm sorry, like, I realize that. Like, I get it. But at the same time, like, there's no point in being negative about any of this. We just gotta lock the fuck in. But I also feel like I'm just gambling for some reason. But I'm not, dude. Like, this shit, I would take this shit any day of the week. I would take this shit any day of the week. I mean, shit just makes sense, right? You see SMT, you see some, I don't know, this bullshit, whatever the fuck this is. Shit's just ranging. It's at the bottom of the range, I guess. Bunch of low resistance liquidity. This down here, I didn't think they were actually gonna get taken out. I would assume like maybe this low or something like that. But my bias was long. I'm not saying I was trying to be right. I'm just trying to say like what's going through my head right now because, yeah, I don't know. I don't fucking know, man. I'm not an expert at this shit yet. I see order flow, bro. I see the markets, dude. It's just like, which just not cooperating. When I have fucking 700 in drawdown, and then maybe I'm the problem, man. Maybe I shouldn't have risked the micro on it, but this could have also just fucking done its thing. Let this fucking be the gap it should have been. Get out this order block and just fucking spool like it's doing now. But no, you gotta get Keenan out at $800 because he only has 800 in his fucking drawdown. Anyways, I'm not crashing out mentally. I'm just like sick of this. Whatever the fuck this is, I'm sick of it. Like, I'm sick of it. Yeah, I'm just sick. Like, I'm sick of this bullshit. And then Naz wanting to spool after I blow all my accounts. Like, I'm sick of this bullshit. Anyways. Y'all like my new profile pic? How to make money on YouTube. Yeah, bro, I might just start selling drugs. Fucking hell, dude. And I don't even want to get another account because I'm gonna just need to reset over the fucking weekend, bro. Look at this bullshit. Bro, look at this fucking bullshit, bro. I'm about to smoke a blunt and get the fuck out of here, dude. Or just work, but yeah. For some fucking reason, dude, I just spoken into existence, getting stopped, and then shit just fly. I just spoken into existence. That's the negative affirmations that I'm speaking of. That I gotta stop. You know what I'm saying? Every trade we take is hitting TP. Every fucking trade we take is hitting TP. I don't give a fuck how retarded that sounds and unrealistic, but every trade that we take is gonna hit TP. Wow, gold is doing its thing. Fuck, dude, I would long gold right now. Fuck, I don't know this. Anyways, what's the trading rules? Activation fee? No activation fee. That's nice. Motherfucker, why'd you make me pay for it like 2 months ago then? Minimum 5 days, 100. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so max drawdown is 2K. Oh, dude, I'm retarded. I be thinking these accounts are 5K draw. I'm retarded, bro. Wait. Dude, I totally thought... What do you mean I'm done for the day? I breached it. Didn't I fucking breach it? Didn't I breach it? Okay, I guess this is 2K. Okay, I'm not sure. Lucid, I'm sorry. That was my fault. Maybe I'm just retarded. But, okay, that makes sense. I'm going to start risking 500 a trade, which is like 25 points, I believe, or some shit like that. Which should have been fine, bro. This should have been fine. Like, genuinely, this should have been fucking fine. This would have been a nice trade, man. This would have been a really nice trade. I just didn't have the drawdown for it. What can you do, man? Don't go live into the stereotype. Don't give into the stereotype. See, like, even this, bro. Well, there's no narrative, to be honest, but it's just, like, it's a nice entry. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna see how much I have, like, disposable, like, after all expenses and shit. I'm about to just go all the, like, just buy 20 different accounts, dude. I'm not even gonna fucking lie. I don't give a fuck. Like, bro. Dude, I've been at this shit for way too long not to not be passing accounts. At least pass a fucking account. Like, I just been at this shit for way too long. But they say before things get a lot better, shit's gonna get worse. A lot worse. But it's not always the case. It's not always the case. Luck is involved. I genuinely believe I have great luck just because of the things that happened to me in my life. And I'm still here for whatever fucking reason. But it's for a good reason, I guess. But yeah, luck has a lot to do with a lot of just outcomes in life. Like this bullshit. Like this. Shit like this, right? I guess what I could have done, because we were already at the open. I guess the only thing I could have done was maybe wait for it to tap into this gap instead of this one. But because we had already tapped into it, I was thinking it was gonna spool off of this order block, off of this inversion gap. Like, I just see little things like this, and it just gives me more confidence to enter the trade, right? But no, Naz needs to stop niggas out all the way down here and fucking, yeah. And then make me change my bias and make me think that's been a common issue this week, which I'm going to stop. To be fair, I'm going to give myself a little bit of leeway because this is my first week back streaming. But, yeah. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. Bro, there's nothing else to say about this shit. Literally nothing else to say about this shit. Literally nothing else. It's just, yeah. Like, this would have been a nice win on gold. Whatever. Dude, I just don't know how to, price things on gold. That's something I gotta figure out. Okay. Let me not share my fucking security code. How about that? Everyday hustling. Dude, I got a fat credit card balance. I don't know if you can see this, but I got a fat fucking credit card balance. And this is about to be $900 with the $77 I'm about to pay. And I don't got it like that. So this is... Start! Yeah, I don't got it like that, but what I do have is belief. Belief. Fucking belief, man. I gotta pay off my credit card, bro. I can't, dude, that shit is scaring the fuck out of me right now. I might be in a financial crisis. Alright, I just paid off my credit card. I might be in a financial crisis. I gotta start making money again. You gotta stick to your rules. That's what's gonna save you. Bury by your accounts with a credit card. Yeah. I mean, I just use it because I have a 24 fucking month streak on paying off all my cards. Like, I'm good at kind of assessing costs, I guess. I don't have a lot of money. I have yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna pay it off either way. I have $800. If I didn't, I'd not fucking, I wouldn't be here. I'd be fucking trying to figure my shit out, I guess I would say. Yeah, just costs, bro. Actually gotta do some math with my bank account. Kind of figure shit out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I'm good, I think. $78.63. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're chilling. Yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, I'll be straight. I mean, rent's due in like a fucking week. So I'll be straight. Bro, who the fuck is texting me right now? Bro, fuck you. I only listen to bees. But yeah, bro, I do buy my accounts on a credit card. Because I get cash back too. Like Apple cash back, that bullshit. Tell me you're going short, Naz. Just tell it. Just tell me. Just let me know. Just give me that 2022 model, yeah? Dude, I'm never prepared. I gotta come to these streams prepared, bro. I'm logging out of this bullshit. But yeah, bro, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Dude. It's like, I need to start, like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't need to do anything. I just gotta chill. You know what I'm saying? Just pass these accounts. It'll all be good. Tell me you're going short, Naz. Just tell me. Just give me a sign. Just give me a bit of a sign, yeah? Nah, it would be stupid as short right here. But then again, there is SMT with yes. Actually, there isn't. Not bearish, at least. But yeah. I may try longing this, to be honest. To those eyes. How many points is this? Alright.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in that bitch. I'm in that bitch. Been a good trade week for me. Love to hear it, man. Yeah, you've been doing good. Passing 2 accounts at a time, like, it's fire. I'm jealous. No, I'm just kidding. But, time to get those payouts, fool. Let's get those payouts, man. Like, genuinely. Like, we just been at this shit for too long. Okay, see, now it's just doing this bullshit. Okay,
Stop
nice.
filled.
Okay, another losing trade. Alright, I'm gonna wait till 10:50 macro. We're gonna ride this shit out. Bro, are you serious? Dude, it's just stop hunt after stop hunt after stop hunt. Dude, at this point, I'm just donating money, bro. I would like to get back in long. Slow key a breaker. Low Canyonly a breaker. Alright, if this candle closes above, I'll go back in. What's a good thing and a bad thing is I'm kind of numb to, like, losing trades now. And not that I'm numb, but, like, I just don't take it as seriously, as deep. Because I know there's just another trade around the corner that I could take. That'll be good. But yeah, there's just no setup here. Only reason why I got in this, bro, was the 5 minute had a nice gap. I just thought it would continue fucking spooling. I gotta get off the 1 minute too. I would want to go short just by intuition, but it's not an actual trade. I'm gonna start trying to, you know what I'm saying? It's like, what the fuck else am I gonna do, you know? Work a fucking office job. Suck my cock, bro. Could be rebalancing to 50% or heading towards equal lows or previous tail low. Possibly. But those highs are right here, so I would assume they'd be taken. Yeah, I'm not getting off these charts until I get a trade long, honestly. Because this just looks like it wants to get taken. But with the way Nas has been ranging, I would not be surprised if shit just didn't take the highs. Like, genuinely, I would not be surprised. Dude, my computer's just slow as fuck now. I know, and I mean it. See, like, these random boosted candles with no fucking entry. Like, yeah, bro. I got stopped out by 2 points. It's like, I'm right about trades. Like, I'm right about them. Yeah, it does. It'll induce, stopping just short of the highs and go for that direction. But I mean, it just makes sense to take these highs right now. And if we can do that, if I can get a little fair value gap here before it takes a high. And for whatever fucking reason, I can't trade YM. I'm gonna take a trade long here if it comes into the gap. Yeah, like, I get it wants to induce liquidity and shit, but I'm not having it. Yeah, and it's just gonna take the fucking high. Nice. Nice, brother. Gold looks nice. Dude, I might just start trading gold. It's just like, I just feel like it's impossible with NAS sometimes. And I can't trade YM for whatever fucking reason. Like, YM. Yeah, like, I can't trade it. I have to subscribe. see what the fuck I'm talking about? And I did see this order block on ES with this candle, but I didn't want to take that simply because Nas had a high right there. That's just intuition, though. Like, this is really one of the trades that I would have liked to actually win. This one right here, when it tapped, and then it just immediately hit my stop, and then just, to be fair, I did get out too early. Should have just had my stop right here if I was really just gonna risk the whole account. So yeah, man. Anyways, I'm gonna go. What is risk settings? How do I go back? GC. I can't trade gold. What is the contract for gold right now? It's GC1, right? Can't even fucking trade gold. It's literally just NAS and ES. I might just start trading ES. Well, his girlfriend cheated on him in Las Vegas. This is the type of shit I be watching. That's the type of shit everybody be watching, but nobody says anything. Like, bro, you don't just get 1 million views on a video without everybody not seeing it. Anyways, dude, I'm gonna have to let my computer rest before I start working again. Because, goddamn. I would like, dude, if we can get, so there's a little gap right here. Dude, this was the first stream of the week, I think. Yeah. This was was it? I don't know. Did I take any trades? I think this was the first stream of the week right here. It was actually a really nice trade. Yeah, and then it's just been losers ever since. Losers, losers, losers. Yo salí para la calle, ando en la mía, You do what you want when you got it. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane in the brain. I have a tummy ache. Say I won't go short somewhere in there. Say no balls. Say no balls. Say no balls. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane. What do y'all do for mental health? Because you know it's cooked when I start asking questions like that. Bro, fuck Lucid, bro. Let's see. Bro, is it just me or do they keep raising their prices? This is straight to funded, I believe. Yeah. Let's see. Maximum loss minute is 2K. Lucid scales. Daily loss limit 60% of peak end of day drawdown. See, bro, the way they word things, they just make it so complicated for simple traders to understand. Genuinely. Consistency rule is 20%. Minimum days they'll pay out is 8 days. That's 2 weeks. Wow. $490. Dude, I remember when I was dishing out like $500, $1,000 every time that I lost a Forex account. I feel like that's why I'm so numb to just buying these small little accounts. But it also hit way harder, you know what I mean? When you lost a Forex account, it was like, fuck, I blew my account because it's $500 for like 100K. It was like 300 for 50K. I think there's still Forex prop firms out there. But yeah, that's crazy. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane in the man brain. Bro, look at this. Look at this, bro. Back to back. All I can do is laugh and keep it moving. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane in the man brain. Is anybody saying anything in the chat? Should avoid Lucid for now. Stick to MFF, Apex, and TBT. I just got into Lucid because, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, to be honest with you. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. Like, I mean, the rules are pretty simple. It's just, like, some of the wording is fucking retarded. It's just their UI, man. It's, like, it's hard to find shit. I wonder who sold the owner of Lucid on opening a prop firm, bro. Because, holy shit. But, I mean, dude, if you're... Like, realistically, you're not going to pull out $1 million from the market from a fucking funded account. So like even if you were profitable, you made like let's say 5K, 10K. That's not really a big hit for a prop firm, bro. Trust me. I used to work for. Trust me. I just know the game. There's prop firms out there making $60 million a month. Which, for example, Top Step, bro, they make around 50 to 60 mil a month profit. Not net, not margin, or not margin. Or sorry, not gross profit. 50 to 60 million. So yeah, fuck you, MNQ. Genuinely, this is crazy. See, the only time that I didn't take. Okay, so you see, so here's my thought process. Right, so you see how it pulls back, comes up, pulls back, comes up, gap, inversion, which is like one of the strongest PD arrays. If you're going in the right direction in the market. But no, you have to stop hunt, which I get because it's a 15. Like realistically, my stop should have been down here. Like I just missed that. That's on me. I can take accountability for that. But let's say I wanted to, get in the market here, right? Naz's bitch ass would have just came and stopped me out. Not saying like I'm trying to be a victim, but it's just like the way the market works. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like this is a psychological warfare. They'll do this to you. They'll spool just to drag it in your face. Then they'll do it again. But this time, there's no stop hunt because we don't need to reprice. Everybody's already been stopped out. I'll just keep buying. You know what I mean? Like, that's kind of the way I'm seeing the market right now. I don't know. And to be completely honest, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I started trading Lucid because I'm trying to get my money up. I'm trying to get my fucking money up. You know what I'm saying? maybe if I make content, I can be like these other fucking Instagram pages that make a bag off of referrals. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I would long gold without a fucking in a heartbeat right now. I just can't trade it. I literally just can't trade it. I just can't trade it. I don't know, for whatever fucking reason, I just can't trade it. Oh, long gold in the heartbeat. And no, I'm not gonna long Nas right now. Just fuck that, dude. It's in a 4-hour gap. Yeah, it's in a 4-hour fucking gap. I'm not logging that bullshit. Maybe we can see a short at consequent encroachment of that gap. Maybe, just maybe. I don't know, dude. It's just like it just doesn't make sense. There's no sense. Yo salí para la calle, ando en la mía. What if I did long? It would probably just reprice all the way down here. Oh, it's GCG6. Thank you, bees. I still can't trade it. How do I get it? How the fuck do I... Add-ons? Dude, how do I get it? Like, how do I get it? Do you know, bees? Do you know Mr. Bees? Mr. Beast? I'm gonna just leave that open.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go long here. Just to try it out. My stop is gonna be super tight on this order block. Fuck, one of my old clients just texted me. Should I tell him to fuck off? Alright.
Order filled.
Yeah. Dude, I just thought it was gonna continue spooling. This was an intuition trade again. Yeah, I'm just like... I don't know, bro. One of my old clients keeps texting me. I don't want to hear it, bees. I generally don't. I genuinely don't.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna just try it. One more time, man. With an actually decent stop. Here's the last trade of the day. If I can at least get some drawdown back, I'd be happy. I think I got him like right here. Alright, it's 20 points. There it is, and then... This whole AM session, man, it's been just... And, like, I don't mind streaming this. Like, even though I know I'm low-key a bit ass right now, I'll be good. Dude, I'm just buying way too high. And I know I am. Like, realistically, I'm at break even. If this goes even remotely in drawdown, I might just cut it. Or I'll just cut it here if it does go down. But yeah, I think I need to work on my entries. Like, I've just been half-assing my entries too. Not half-assing, but just waiting for more confirmation, which in this market, especially when it's moving so fucking fast, you know, if you're just waiting for confirmation, you just lost 15 points. You're 15 points behind. Now you're trying to compensate. So I don't know. $15-minute closed right there. This 4-hour candle is not looking so sexy. Yeah, bro. Hopefully the 1050 macro is bullish and it spools, but yeah. Go to your MFFU. Honestly, like, oh my god. Okay, there you go. Billing. Oh. Dude, if I knew this, bro, I'm like low-key retarded. Come on, Nash, just fucking spool. That's right, C-bot. Do I also need gold? I think I can't upgrade it right now because I'm, let's see. Fuck, dude. No, it's still cooked. Maybe I need to refresh. There you go. Okay. Well, YM is cooked right now, looks like. Okay, we're spooling. I wonder how long for, though. Maybe we can get all the way up here. Gold is Comex, okay. I can't update it though. Okay, we're spooling. Why am I down? Bro, am I tripping? Yo, I can't even exit this trade. Yo, Bees, you got me fucked up, bro. Why does it say that I'm down? Yo, bees. Yo, bees. Yo, y'all are seeing this, right? Bro, what the fuck is going on? Bro, what the fuck is going on? No. Dude, I'm like so bro, I'm about to crash the fuck out. Dude, hold on. Bro, I'm about to crash the fuck out. Can I just like exit the trade?
Order filled.
Okay. Okay, we're out regardless. Okay, fine. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. Dude, bees, you Yo, my funded futures. Yo, fix your shit, dog. I'm Yo, this is actually retarded. This is genuinely retarded. Okay, we're so back. Dude. See, you can only trade. Dude, is my internet slow or? Yo, I don't know what to say anymore, bro. I feel like a retard on these charts sometimes. I'm done streaming for today. I gotta get to work. Yo, this is like actually genuinely the most retarded. Yo, bees. I love you, dog. Yo, bees, I love you, dog. But fuck you. Dude, I wasn't trading. I wasn't trading a delayed NQ. It was normal. And then I go here, I try to upgrade to fucking C-Bot. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking call it a day. I'm gonna fucking call it a day. Um, Now I can't even see my fucking data subscriptions, dude. Like, yo, I'm crashing out on Twitter. I genuinely want to crash out on Twitter right now. I want to crash the fuck out on Twitter. But then I'll just look stupid because, yeah, dude. I want to crash the fuck out right now. But anyways, one winning trade, 5 fucking, well, not 5, but like 3 losing ones. You see what I'm like? It's just not working. Hello? Dude, yo. Deep breaths. Alright, bees. Thanks for coming on stream, dog. Let me just recap my thought process here. You know it's cooked when your therapist sends you a message. Well, at least I made back almost both my losses. Basically, like I just need like 6 points to make $139 back, and then I need 150 points to make the account, to get the account passed. So, well, 155, I guess. Sometimes I just wanna, yeah. Anyways, I think I just keep I can't really blame this loss on me, honestly. I refuse to, like, I really want to blame it on myself, but I refuse to. This is something that I see all the time, like big push, order block, comes back down, rejects, push, has a wick up top. These are basically equal highs. I've seen it 1 million times where the market will spool down to the nearest order block, not come back into the fair value gaps, and just push. Like 1 million times I've seen that. I think this has happened like a couple of times this week already, by the way. And I don't want to de-risk. I don't want to de-risk because I feel like I'll lose the only bit of an edge that I have. Because if I, like, the only reason why I even say that is because if I de-risked, like, I would have been happy with, this loss. Like, I would have been fine with getting out over here instead of maybe a bit up here. But because I was in one mini deep, my thought process was it shouldn't even have to come back down to these lows, and it closes below consequent encroachment. of all of these candles, like even this order block, close below consequent encroachment. And what have I seen in many cases like these? The reason that I got out manually, what I've seen is price will normally retest constant encroachment, and if there's a lot of liquidity down here, it'll go ahead and take it. Because price will just keep disrespecting like just price action. It'll keep doing it, and that's what I was afraid of today. Now, regarding the losses up here, well, I went short. That was like a dumb idea, but I was like $100 away from losing the account anyways. So whatever. Let's just say that I blew the account on that one trade. Not even gonna worry about the second one. For this trade, bro, like it just made sense to come in here, come into that gap, blast through it, retest. You saw how it was retesting it. That's where I got in. That's where I got in, like real time. All right. Obviously, on the 5-minute, there was a gap right there. There was a gap right here on the 5-minute, which I understand. Like, it's gonna have to play around in it. This was a nice breakaway gap that I would 100% have conviction that it should be left open if it's going to continue spooling, especially to these highs up here. Regarding the stop loss, like I think it was not in a good place in hindsight. I could definitely widen my stop here, especially since these candles were moving a bit slower. I could have widened my stop loss a little bit. 30 points isn't all that bad, but I wanted to, have a 20-point stop loss instead of just losing 30 points. But I guess there's no point in that. Like, I just need to enter 1 mini. My fucking laptop is overheating. Enter 1 mini, get into a stop loss that is within, price action. And yeah. And then this candle pullback was a order block retest on ES, so there was SMT here. Not like SMT, but you know what I mean. And I wanted this gap to get tapped, but unfortunately it didn't. So I didn't trust this gap. We were already close to taking those highs. I didn't want to have a stop loss that was this big. You know what I mean? Like, realistically, maybe it wasn't that big of a stop loss. The candle just looked intimidating, right? I also saw the possibility of price coming back here, right? It's just price, bro, And then here, I didn't really have confidence in this. There's a teeny tiny gap, whatever. But then we have some more displacement. Whenever I see there's really heavy displacement towards the upside, and then there's a gap like this, and it starts projecting towards consequent encroachment, whatever, it'll stall a little bit. But if there's real displacement, what I've seen is it'll just continue spooling, especially on a really bullish day, like today. So I guess that worked in my favor. I don't necessarily have a model, but I mean, other than just looking at price action within daily, 4-hour, 15-minute, and 1 minute, if everything's aligned, well, its price should spool, especially at macro. So what I'm gonna do a better job of next time, or hope to do a better job of next time, is creating a real narrative before I even come to the market, because bro, I've just been opening my laptop and start streaming, which is not good. Because I normally do want to do my analysis on stream. It's just that I feel like I'm being watched, even though nobody's watching. I don't know. It's just a mental thing. But yeah, and then obviously this whole thing with fucking this bullshit happened. So yeah, bro, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this joint. You gotta lock it in, bro. You keep saying it in Discord. I know. I know, man. Yeah, this was. Jesus Christ. That's crazy, yeah. Thing is, though, like, what I like to see is 15-minute for entries, too. So when there's no, like, valid entry on the 15-minute, I mean, other than this little gap, it's kind of just hard to tell where the market is going to go. Obviously, there was displacement, but these equal lows, ES. Huh. Apparently, I actually noted it out, too. There was SMT. Yeah, I mean, after it started displacing, that's when I was like, okay, this is probably going long. But, yeah. I do have to lock it in, man. I just have a bunch of shit going on like everybody else. But we lost 2 accounts this week. I lost 2 accounts this week. Got another one locked and loaded for next week. Yeah, I think I just have to have more conviction in my trades. More conviction. But also, just genuinely, I know things have been going really well for you as well. But genuinely, this is like the hardest market I've ever fucking traded, like, in my life. Like, I've never seen so many fucking stop hunts. I genuinely, like, look at this bullshit. This shit literally looks like a barcode. Not to say I was trading December, but like, when you're in weekly ranges, daily ranges like these, it's like kind of impossible to tell where price is gonna go, especially when you have shit with fucking government going on. Not trying to, like, you know, not trying to say that I don't have anything to do with it. I do, but it's a lot of the market as well. And it's also like no point in beating myself up about it. Like, what the fuck else am I gonna do? Today was actually relatively decent on NAS. It's just a bunch of stop hunts, and I gotta stop intuition trading. So I think I figured out my trigger for intuition trading, though. It's whenever I lose a good trade and then I try to get right back in it. And the reason why I do that is because I've been rewarded for it before. So that makes sense why I do that. So I don't think it's worth the being rewarded for it. Like, you just gotta look for new entries, like real entries, not just intuition trades. Keenan. So that's something I will jot down here. I'm actually gonna jot it down right now. Gotta start looking for real trades, not just intuition trades. So I got this notebook. Well, this is actually the notebook that I used at my old job when I was an SDR. Gotta look for real entries after a winning losing trade, quote unquote winning losing trade. Gotta start looking for real entries after a quote unquote winning losing trade. Yeah, I've seen that a lot happen with me. So yeah, that makes sense. But either way, so lost one trade, blew that account, and then lost a couple of trades right here. Well, this one, see, I'm kind of pissed about this one, dude. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, what's this candle low? What is this? Why can't I see the candle low? I can just look at it here. What is this candle low? 25,676, 676.25. Where did I get stopped? 674.75. 67. 67. Alright, I'm getting off stream. Love y'all. Peace out, homies. Peace out, homies.